Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can buy Avios points for Qatar Airways. So I do actually want to start this video by saying I have included a link to get to this page at the very top of the description. So if you are looking to buy some Avios points for Qatar Airways, head over to that link and that will save you having to look for this page. From there you will land on this page here, and in order to actually buy points we just want to scroll down a bit until we get to this bit that says let's get started. And we just want to click on this button that says buy, gift or transfer now. Now when you click on this button you will be asked to log in. However, I'm already logged in so it hasn't asked me. But if it's your first time clicking it, it probably will ask you to just log into your account. So go ahead and do that and then we'll be taken to this page here. And here we can see it says buy, gift or transfer up to 250,000 Avios points instantly to enjoy rewards faster. So here we have the option to buy points, gift points and also transfer points. So we can do whatever one we want, but since we're looking to buy points in this video, we're going to go ahead and click buy points. Now as you can see it says you need to earn a minimum of 1,000 Avios points to purchase additional Avios. So if you're trying to buy points on a fresh account, this will not work. You will have to have a minimum of 1,000 points to be able to buy points. But if you do have 1,000 points, you can click that buy Avios button, and from there you'll just have to choose how many points you're looking to buy. And then you can just enter in your payment details and billing address, and then you can buy your points and they will be instantly added to your account. So that's how you can buy Avios points on Qatar Airways. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.